Hello, I'm Catherine Hoyser, and I am a poet professor from the central area of Connecticut. The title of my poem refers to the French feminist Hélène Cixous, whose famous article, The Laugh of the Medusa, declares women should write their bodies. She coined the term Écriture Feminin. Écriture Féminine, 1970. A kind clinic doctor gave me a little pill. Blood flooded out broken gates once locked tight. Like a dolly watch, I melted off the table, slid to the ceiling, watched doctors direct nurses to staunch the blood-soaked testimonies of an unfortunate zygote. Barely enough fluid left to write a note. I'll never have sex again.